Landon, Landon, what did Daddy do for you? What did Daddy do for you? Look at this thing. We ran a hose up here, so we got water coming out the top. So we have a perpetual waterfall. We got the pump down here, plugged into the wall. Daddy hooked all this up. It's got plugged into the wall over there. Look at how much fun. Look at how much fun this is. Boop. Go splish splash. You can splish splash all day, huh? We just splish splash all day. Now, got the water feature over here. All kinds of toys. Let me see that. Woo! Here you go. Here you go. You want that? And then the frog can leap. Boop. Got fishy. We got the fishy. You sound like this. There you go.